Hi, I'm Pat Kelly. In this problem, they ask us to find the partial sum, as you can see here with our sigma notation, starting at 1 and going up to 500 of this expression. And you are certainly not going to go ahead and list 500 of those terms, and even if you grabbed a calculator, add them all up. It's going to take too long. Instead, what we're going to do is first recognize that this is an arithmetic sequence. That's good. It's an arithmetic sequence because the expression on the inside here, if you've started to pick up on these expressions, it's linear. It's linear, so the coefficient of n here, 1 in this case, that's the common difference that bumps up each of the terms. That's your increment. So this is an arithmetic sequence, which I had to make sure I knew that, so that I can go ahead and grab the formula for my partial sum. You always get real happy when a formula is going to come and help you out. So the formula for a partial sum, if it's an arithmetic sequence, is n over 2 parentheses a sub 1 plus a sub n. All right? And then what it always comes down to with a formula is just making sure you know what to plug in where. So we slide over here and do a little bit of scratch work. Just make sure we have each of the players in the game ready to go. N is first, I see. So n is just the number of terms, which is 500 in this case. 500. Back to my formula. I can see I also need a sub 1. So a sub 1, let's get that ready. And a sub 1 is just taking this expression and putting your 1 in for n. So 1 plus 8, better known as 9, right? The last thing I need for my formula is a sub n, so I need a sub 500. But again, that just means go to your formula, your expression for the individual terms, but put a 500 in for n. So 500 plus 8. Why didn't I just do that in my head, huh? 508. But I've got all three pieces of the puzzle ready to go. Back over to the formula. S sub n, or in our case, S sub 500, equals, n is that 500 divided by 2, parentheses, a sub 1, which was the 9, plus, because that's what's in the formula, a sub n, which is 508, and it's all arithmetic. Let's see if I can do a little bit of it. 500 over 2, that's easy, that's 250. I think I can even do what's in parentheses here, 508 plus 9, so 517. But please don't think any less of me. I think I'm going to grab a calculator for that, okay? 250 times 517. My calculator gives me, let's see, that's a 129,250 for my S sub 500. Okay? All right. Do the same kind of work in the other problems. You should get your right answer. Make sure you do some on your own, though.